Hi everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 22 of the Organizing Spring Fling. So I hope everybody is doing well and I hope everybody is staying safe. Today I would like to talk about teenagers, and I am going to use, I'm happy to admit that I'm stealing from Gary V in my title today. My title is Contain, Don't Fold. And Gary V has created a video on YouTube that is Create, Don't Document. Well, I'm going to go with Contain, Don't Fold. So the issue with teenagers is, well, you tell me. What's the issue with teenagers? I've raised two of them. I'm a couple of years away from finishing with the second one. So, we still have a few things that we negotiate. And what I have learned is that picking your battles is a really good mantra to stick with. And organizing with teenagers pretty much fills into that category as well. Pick your battles. Decide what's really important to you. So my tip today is really to figure out what's most important to you about the organizing associated with your teenager's life. Do you really need the clothes folded? Do you really care? Do you care if the clothes are perfectly hung on a hanger? Do you care if the work is perfectly organized in a duotang or in a plastic folder or whatever in the backpack? Or would you rather just have the clothes off the floor and contained in any way, shape, or form in a bureau, in a closet, whatever, off the floor? Clean clothes in the clean area, wherever the bureau, the cupboard, the whatever is, and the dirty clothes in the hamper. That might be as good as it gets with a teenager. There's a lot going on in their life, and they're pretty preoccupied, and maybe folding clothes is not top of mind. But getting clothes off the floor might be top of your mind. Getting work back to school that's been completed might be top of your mind. Now, a lot of teenagers are submitting online these days, but there might be a few things that actually have to go into that backpack to get back to school to get submitted. So I recommend, my tip is pick those battles, figure out what's important to you, think about containing the material as opposed to making it perfect. It might be that your teenage daughter requires open baskets, no lids, throw the clothes in, close the door, done. Maybe a few, just throwing the clothes into the drawer, that's fine. The clothes come up clean, throw them in the drawer, they're done. Maybe you're teaching your kids, get the clothes into the laundry hamper, take the lid off, no lid, throw them in, practice basketball, practice target practice, whatever you're practicing, just get them into the basket, take them down to the laundry, teach them to do your laundry, and then teach them to get back into the drawers or the baskets or whatever. They don't need to be folded. They don't need to be hung. They just need to get the routine going in order to get dirty clothes clean and clean clothes back where they can wear them. So I hope that's helpful. Good luck picking your battles with your teenage child. I would love to hear from you and some of your experiences, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye now.